6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're 16, I think. But Jonah also just seeded it so people would play when playing it. Huge news! We got the news in the chat. That's what I hear. Turn the game audio down a bit. Where is this? It's in Stittsville.
Yeah, it's in some guy's basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you guys don't have like a normal bi-weeklies or something. I don't know.
Commentary is drowned out. We're just quiet.
Yeah, sorry, Roxas. We're also not wearing headphones. We're just using whatever this mic is.
Yeah. So Ganon, Meta Knight, PS2. There's a lot of room for Ganon for Meta Knight to run around. But Ganon can punch people really hard, so that's sick.
Going by visual cue, that there actually looks a lot faster than it does in Melee.
The Ganon fair?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely is, and it's much stronger. It's like, oh my god, after like playing PM, like looking at Ganon in Melee, it's just like, what the hell is this character?
Yeah, I'm looking at Mario's Ganon now. I used to play this all the time in Melee.
Yeah.
And wow, okay, so it looks like his character essentially got buffed.
Yeah, no, that's pretty much it. And he has a command grab on a side B, so he has better pressuring tools because he gets trained by that.
Yeah, that's another thing I noticed when I play against Ganon. It's like the roll looks better.
Yeah.
It looks swaggier too.
Yeah,
the side B freaking like combos, but it knocks you down,
Yeah.
make you forced to tech it. You can get some pretty cool tech chases off of it.
Yeah.
And on top of that, well, the up B. Now the up B doesn't actually make him hug you like it does in Melee.
Yeah.
So I think I actually prefer to hug. If I'm gonna be honest.
He still hugs. He still does the like. He just has the end of it is like a hitbox instead.
Yeah, I think.
But on the way up, he still does the hug.
Oh, does he?
Yeah. Yeah, there's just like a swipe at the end to help him recover.
Oh, okay. I was wondering about that.
Yeah.
Because when I saw him do that, I saw that hit him.
Alright,
hit
that's a nice
Austin.
spike.
Yeah, I saw that up B hit Austin. I'm like, oh, there's no hug. I think
Yeah.
the hug would have helped him, to be honest. But then again, Austin would probably just take that, so it wouldn't really matter.
Yeah, he has everything the same except for like all the tools work the same except for
So
his
again,
side B.
So would you say that Meta Knight has the advantage in this?
Yeah,
situation?
definitely. Meta Knight's just a better character than Ganon in general. Ganon's like very. I don't know how to explain it honestly. But he's like a very good wall, and he hits really hard. And he punishes you for bad mistakes.
Yeah.
So like when you have like a good executing player against a player who's like messing up, Ganon will look really good. And when you have a player who's not messing up, Ganon will look really bad.
Yeah, like Ganon's I usually don't have trouble with.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's Melee.
Yeah.
Now, the thing that frustrates me in PM, the freaking float, man.
Yeah, the float is really.
I'm like, okay, how do I edge guard him?
That's his best tool.
I can't do like melee stuff on this guy anymore.
Yeah,
He
it's
just,
still very much like get up attack when he comes up.
Hey, you see, how do you edge guard? Okay, he did it.
Yeah, if you go out there, if you hit him though, he's dead.
I was like, oh my god, how do you edge guard this? So
Yeah, so HVAC's out to a commanding lead so far.
yeah, so this is actually looking pretty good for him.
He's just walling out.
So who do these two play next?
Whoever wins this plays the winner of you and Edit.
I already.
Oh, sorry, yeah, that's right. So yeah, whoever wins this plays you.
Oh, okay. So I play the winner of this.
Yeah.
Okay. How you can contact him?
Did you know how I contacted them? Yeah, Nuge. If you go in the PM group and add Ryan Butler, I can hook you up with everything.
I heard it was invite only.
And for this?
That's what I heard.
Yeah.
And Jesus was like, oh hey, can TP
Hey Kyle, if the Nuge wants to come to SGS, can he? Yeah, there you go. The Nuge.
Is he a notable player? Or?
He's number 10 or number 9 in Ontario. You don't have Discord. Yeah, you don't need Discord. Just add me on Facebook. Or I'll add you on Facebook. I can find you. I think. I don't remember.
Oh, it's a question for Roxas.
You have Discord.
Yeah, Roxas.
Yeah, no,
also-
yeah.
Wait, no, the four sides.
Alright, now throw back here. Yeah, Ganon has really disgusting throw conversions on pretty much everyone that isn't too floaty. because like he still has the down throw chain grab he has from melee, except better tools because like he was buffed. But on like semi-fast followers, like Meta Knight is just gross.
Yeah.
Like, down throw chain grab on Meta Knight will go to about 90, and he can out smash KO confirm out of that.
Yeah, I gotta take off my melee glasses for this because like that's the way I'm thinking of Ganon. It's like, oh hey, melee Ganon. It's like, no, this is PM. I gotta think of this differently. What can this guy do?
Let's see.
Yeah, it's best of 5.
Matthew Nugent added. All right, there we go. Confirmed. We and his boys.
So number 3 in Ontario wants to come to
Number 9.
number 9.
Yeah, it's 2 bands. Yep.
Yeah.
6.
Blitz, then JJK, then Ron Gumshoe, then X-Doll, then Titanium, then Clencher, Little Motel. Sorry, the Clencher. Thank you for miscorrecting me. Little Motel. Number 8 is Mew, isn't it? Yeah. Mew, Nuge, and then Zukon. I don't really know who Mew is.
It's the cat Pokemon.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mew is like my favorite legendary. So
Okay.
aside from like Mewtwo.
That's fair.
I was thinking of going some Mewtwo and Charizard because I do like how the way they play in this game.
Yeah.
It's
Mewtwo's
like,
sick.
yeah, man. Like I secondary Mewtwo in melee, or at least I'm trying to.
Yeah.
But
It'll
it's like,
it'll carry over. It'll largely carry over. But then there's
Yeah.
like
yeah, but
so much more.
yeah, but I kind of went for the Link because it's like I have more experience with the
Yeah.
Link. So it's like, okay, I guess I'll come with it.
Alright, so we got Smashville. Switching to Snake. Okay, this is risky.
Is it? Also,
Snake, I don't know if the matchup's bad for Snake, but like Snake thrives a lot on people not being able to kind of like fully knock him out and then him just like racking up damage with trades. But if you trade with Ganondorf, it's terrible.
oh my god, did
Yep.
side B into jab?
Yep. If you don't tech, it's jab. And if you do tech, he can still get you on the tech when you get up.
I think I might
But
be
yeah,
afraid to
so
Mario now.
yeah, no, Ganon's really good at trading aggro, and then he's very good at kind of bypassing Snake's usual ability to live for a very long time. And like Snake also, like a lot of what he does, like he relies on having a bit of a range advantage on his opponent, and he doesn't have that with Ganon. Steak?
Yeah, Steak. I love Steak.
Alright.
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah, that's sick until you realize it's just
Stop.
auto. Yeah, his throws have like fixed knockback on them. And then yeah. And then,
Oh my
he just
God.
stuck him with his
He just blew himself up.
so that was literally just like a draw auto kill. So there we go.
Looking like Link. The recovery. Oh, wow. You see, I can never tell when he sticks a bomb on someone.
Yeah. There's an audio cue, it'll say there.
Yeah,
That's
that's all I listen for.
yeah, that's all you should.
Like, it's like, I
yeah.
hear
Because
this
he can
here
do
and
it.
there, it's
Yeah.
like, okay, he's stuck.
He has ways to put it on where there's no actual animation. Okay, if he gets another vertical, he pops him up one more time.
Is there anything that he should do if he has the bomb stuck on him?
Not particularly. The bomb won't go off unless either Snake detonates it or the Snake dies. So he can leave it on there for as long as he wants. The main drawback is Snake uses the bomb a lot for his recovery. So if he has to on burst, he can't really use it on demand when he's recovering.
Oh, I see. So it's a one at a time kind of deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. It's the same input to blow it up.
Okay.
Alright, grab. Okay, yeah, grab
down
S smash.
throw to forward smash.
Yep. I think he should have gone for a regrab there, but that's not bad. Back here, not gonna quite kill. But he's in a good position. And then the other good thing is Ganon has those big sweeping hitboxes on his aerials to knock people out. Which like Snake comes, look how slow he comes to the stage.
Okay.
Yeah, if Mario edgeguards with the forward air instead of back air, he'll have a lot more luck, I think.
Okay, so tell me, can Ganon actually do the float cancel thing in this game? Because he's floating. But
Like a double jump cancel?
no.
Oh, like
not double
Peach.
jump. Yeah, you know like Peach and Mewtwo in this game?
No.
No, he can't. How does it work then? Like his float?
I don't know how to explain it. I don't think you can do a float cancel anyways.
Yeah, I just think
I know Mewtwo does it by like crashing into the stage, and I don't know how Peach's works.
It's weird because I actually prefer double jump canceling with Mewtwo than I do float canceling.
Yeah. Fortunately, you got both.
Yeah, he has both.
Yeah.
It's just that for whatever reason,
Yeah.
I suck at float cancel.
Yo,
pairs.
can you guys watch that somewhere else?
Float cancel pairs. So
Mario's.
far, Mario has the lead.
Yeah, Mario's. I mean, Ajax had.
No, he went to.
Oh, I have to on the wrong.
Yeah, I'll watch it. Sorry.
So joining us is
Some guy. The guy who's won all our events in spite of only having won a single local.
No, true. Hey, wait, there's that one local,
Like, it's not like your results are bad, but it's just like, what?
I guess. I don't come to locals often.
So no, he
Yeah.
gets flow cancel.
I mean, you
tear,
have
be
3
broken,
results
not
recently.
shielded. Okay, thank you, huge. Thank you for that information. Oh, the jab.
Yeah. Jab's still good.
Okay, what was that move? What
That was
move?
up tilt.
That was up tilt?
Yeah.
That freaking killed him.
Yep.
I mean, if it were brawl, it would have killed him 40%.
That's not even in brawl, so no.
Yeah, his up tilt brawl was like the kick.
It's like the straight up kick. It's,
Yeah.
It wasn't bullshit. It was awful.
It was like a major kill.
Maybe. It's like, it's not. It would not have hit him. It wouldn't even hit him. Like, it's like straight above him.
No, it was disjointed.
Okay,
It was like
I just saw him. I do not know why Austin blew himself up right there.
Oh my god.
He blew himself up like.
He was probably holding a grenade.
Oh, okay.
And the grenades have really short fuses.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see a random wizard foot neutral. Okay, back
Oh!
here. Gets the tech.
Oh!
Tell back here.
And he
Oh,
goes for
into the
taunt.
taunt. That's what we want to see. Oops. Instant wins the second.
He went for melee taunt
the
too.
taunt in there, you get the.
No, Mario went
I
for,
would have won
melee
every set
Ganon
I've ever
taunt.
played. Why wasn't this rule implemented earlier, Kyle?
Because it would have made me lose every set.
Okay, so where do you guys think he's gonna counterpick?
Also would like PS2, I think.
Yeah.
Because the ceiling is low, which means Ganon dies. And the stage is
Mushroom.
long, which means it takes a while for Ganon
Mushroom
to get in.
camping.
And Ganon can't use as much platform.
Get the little
movement
platform hat.
Because Snake is going to be able to control the lateral space pretty well. And Ganon, he's got a great way.
So you think your brother is more comfortable with the snake versus the snake that he's
Alright.
Yeah, because Meta Knight's shield pressure, like, his moves aren't actually, like, amazing on shield. So then he'll get grabbed and bombed. And then he just gets punished on it. So that's kind of how.
I mean, he should be getting grabbed if he's hitting on shield. Not by Ganon.
I mean, Ganon's grab is fixed.
Yeah, but he has tiny T-Rex
So
arms.
small, you could probably nair
I
in
mean,
front of shield.
You have an Ike
Yes,
sword.
Nair's like, you are going point blank on shield.
Yeah, but you don't hit nair on shield. You hit forward air on shield or down air.
Nair's -6 on shield, so it's actually bad.
Mario's showing that his
Ganon doesn't have anything to punish at -6.
-6 you grab.
Uppy, he could up me.
You can up out a shield, but if you space forward air, it'll miss anyways.
So Mario already taking the first stock lead. Yeah, Mario already taking the first stock lead. Oh my god, I think he laid it
What the heck? Yeah, he tried. No, he tried to. He put it on his feet.
Tried to sticky him.
Yeah, he should have gone for a trank reset.
Place or a mistake.
Wait, what the heck? Did you see that? He just walked on the bomb and...
That was a remote detonator. There's a landmine, a grenade, a remote detonator, and the missile.
Oh, okay.
Or mortar, rather.
I got so confused. Like, he just walked on it like it was nothing.
Yeah. Because it's manual
Is there
activation.
any
Oh, the
particular
hug!
Good DI.
Sorry?
I'm just confused about why he's playing Snake.
Because his Meta Knight got bopped.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, he lives.
It's nice that Mario's finally implementing the float.
Yeah, that's cool.
So Dreamland in this game does have it has a high ceiling to it, yeah.
It's the same as Melee.
Same as Melee. It looks deceivingly small.
Yeah.
Like-
It's just because of camera.
Like, it looks significantly smaller this stage.
It's because Melee, the camera's so zoomed in. I hate Melee cameras so much, actually.
Like, it's, oh my
You
god.
get knocked back here in bubble. Let's go. Okay, he's going for like back air edge guards, but against Snake, he just needs to use his forward air.
Yeah, you just need to.
Because like it's the ball of pain.
I mean, if he's going for an invincible action, is he going for
No, he's just like trying to cover with like falling back airs. Like right here, see?
Oh my god.
I mean, it's less than
Yeah, it's a sand lag, but like the forward air will kill. And like you have a much higher chance of hitting the forward air.
You think Austin should be beating Mario?
No. Mario's sick. You beat JJK.
Who did you
Well,
guess?
it's hard to
He's
argue
number 2 in
against that.
Ontario.
I just think
It wasn't when he was
needs to
number 2
play
in
a crisper
Ontario.
defensive game, but he hasn't been doing that. So. And his punishes have been pretty good.
Austin's rust is very much showing. Like he said that he has matchup experience with Snake, but it's like
Well, he has some matchup experience, like against me.
Yeah,
I
but-
just use douse dance.
he has it against you on net. I mean, against you it would be net play, but like
Local emulation.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's a tight game.
what a sick confirm.
And now we got a close game.
So Austin already had names. That's not really a big deal. Oh, okay.
Not especially not for Snake. Snake will live.
Percent will rack up very quickly. in this
Yeah,
game.
it seems really hard to
Well, the thing is, like, Snake will get up to 150, but not against Ganon. Like, Ganon will bypass a lot of the tankiness, so I think this matchup's decent for Ganon.
I kind of disagree. Like Ganon will get should get zero damage, right? Or like 2 punish damage, and then Snake controls neutral, so I think Snake should win. But like,
I don't know that Snake controls neutral, though. Like, Ganon has the better range, and he's got faster moves.
I mean that's true.
And Ganon will hit a lot harder. Like, it
I'd
feels
like
like...
to see Mario use the set.
Yeah,
It feels,
I
pretty,
expect more
it
predictable.
feels pretty 50-50 to me. Like, Snake has better kill confirms, but Ganor's head guard is disgusting.
Oh, wow. That's gonna kill. Wow, the chop.
Yeah. Yeah, Snake's really good at
Actually, I mean,
doing the ladder off the top.
maybe Ganon isn't. I mean, like, someone could argue Ganon's not terrible because Snake's gameplay is like, you know, either play. There's like different Snakes.
Well, like
There's
the
Snakes
main-
that force stagger situations, but Ganon likes staggers.
Yeah, Stagger is really good for Ganon. Like, if you're playing aggro trade Snake, which is kind of like, I think, the textbook Snake, you're not going to do that well. Like, it's not bad, but it's like, Ganon thrives in that situation because he's going to trade hits with you all day. Random was in full, let's go.
I don't like the Dacus.
I love every
I mean, I
Dacus.
think Dacus is good. I just don't think he does a great spot.
A beast.
It should
Oh,
be
okay.
force interaction.
You're right.
Oh, I see.
Mine was manlier, though. Like,
Yeah, it was.
see a Ganon side?
He's-
Oh, okay, that was there. He could have...
Ganon's on top.
Ganon side.
Platform. He needs to
Ganon
make
side.
sure he gets into a position where he can punish the waveland off or like jump off.
Alright, Mario's in the zone right now.
So this is actually looking at us.
Yeah, actually, Mario, like,
But Mario could probably.
Mario clutches really hard.
He just plays.
Yeah.
Mario's like a wall basically.
Yeah.
So it's good for consistency.
Alright, let's see.
Ganon's a choker character. Mario's on so awesome.
So whenever he floats, I always hear Mario talk.
Yeah. Alright, he's off stage. See up here?
Up it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, he's not dead. He's not dead at all. He's got a lot of recovery.
Oh.
Back here, not gonna kill. He can grenade recovery or he can bomb recovery. No, he fucked.
Oh.
He did. Okay, he shouldn't.